Hello 4th and 5th class students, my name is Jagpreet Kaur and today we will do a very interesting topic, that is the verb from English 1. Now what is verb? Verb is a action word. In simple language, what is verb? Verb is a action word or a doing verb. A verb is a word used to express an action, state or possession. For example, 2 and 2 make 4. Here make is the verb. He came before us. Now came is the verb. Now words like be, is, am, are, was, were, they are also verb. And verb is not always of one word. A verb is not always of one word. Here is an example. They are playing cricket. Here playing is the verb, but are is the helping verb. Okay, now let's again there are two types of verb. Here is first is transitive verb. For more clarification, I will give you an example of transitive verb. Like the children eat. This is a simple sentence. The children eat. But it is not clear which thing children are eating. So this is a incomplete sentence, that it is not conveying a meaningful information, or we can say this is not a complete sentence. Something is missing. So I will write over here, the children eat fruits. Now the meaning is clear that children eat fruits. So what is transitive verb? The verb which requires an object to complete its sense are called transitive verb. In other words, transitive verb needs object. Okay, what is transitive verb? Transitive verb needs object to make a complete meaning or sense. Now what is intransitive verb? Intransitive verb, the verb which does not require any object is called intransitive verb. Like birds fly. Here there are only two words, birds and fly, but they are making a complete sense. They are making the complete sense. Birds fly. Which thing is flying in the sky? Birds fly. Okay. Now there are some examples of transitive verb and intransitive verb. He caught the ball. She opened the door. If I write over here, he caught the dash, then it will not convey a full meaning. So here it requires a verb object, that is ball. He caught the ball. She opened the dash. What she opened? She opened the door. The boy flies his kite. The attack sank the boat. The ass kicked the boy. Intransitive verb, some creatures swim. It is a complete meaning. The sick man wept. Birds fly. The boat sank speedily in the river. This ass always kicks. So what was our topic? That is verb. And there are two types of verb, transitive and intransitive. In intransitive verb, we need an object to make a complete sense. And in transitive verb, there is no requirement of any object. It is always meaningful. So, I hope that verb is clear to everyone. So there is a homework for class 5th. Try to solve exercise A and B with pencil. In class 4th, try to solve exercise A and B. If you have any doubt regarding verb, you can ask in the comment box. But one main thing is practice is must for English grammar. Thank you.